For the next few slides, we're going to look at changing the output options. So as I've mentioned earlier, when we run that FGL report load current settings and we pass in the report definition file, it's going to load the settings from that report file. Now you have the opportunity to change any of these report output options with additional FGL reporting API functions as long as you do it prior to calling the FGL report commit current settings. So for the next couple slides, we're going to be looking at some of these. We're going to look at the FGL report select device, FGL report select preview, and FGL report set output file name. With the FGL report select device, you have 4 options as of 2.21 that you can apply. So you can see from my code block examples, we can send it to a PDF, to an image, to printer, or to SVG. Now a PDF creates a PDF document. Whether it just creates the PDF file or whether it opens the file in a PDF viewer will depend upon your setting for FGL report select preview. If you have image, it's going to create an image file, 1 image file per page. If you select printer, it's going to send the report to a default printer, and we have other functions out there to define the printer. And finally, if it's SVG, it's going to create an SVG document, and that's going to open it up in the Genero report viewer. If you have FGL report select preview set to true, otherwise it's going to create an SVG file. The FGL report select preview is an indicator of whether you want to create a file or whether you want to view your results right away. So if you have FGL report select preview equal to true, then the report is going to be viewed in the appropriate viewer for the selected device. And from that you can choose to either print it or save it depending upon what the device allows. If it's false, we're either going to write it to a file, or if you have the select device set to a printer, we'll send it to that printer. Now if you're saving the file, which means preview is false, and your device is not a printer, then you probably want to specify the output file name. And we have the FGL report set output file name for you to specify what that file name is. If it's not specified, we're going to use a default file naming such as report SVG, report PDF, or image 001.jpg. And if the device is an image, we're going to have 1 file produced per page, per report page, and the page number is going to be appended to the file name, as we see here with image 001, then image 002, and so on.